was 23. People started to talk, you know